Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is Kheer mix by the brand Gits. So let's get started. Okay, this one is 100-gram pack, MRP 75 rupees. We got it from Amazon for 67 and the shelf life is 1 year. From this pack you can make 625 ml of kheer, and this kheer has no added preservative, no added color. And here is our kheer mix. Here the rice is very fine actually. You can't even make out it is a rice. All you have to do is mix this kheer mix in 600 ml, 4 cups of milk. And remember, we don't need to add any sugar or anything else like rice, cardamom, saffron, pistachios. Everything is already there. So now you put it to boil. Once it start boiling, lower the flame and let it cook on low flame for 15 minutes. Stir it in between. Now the kheer has thickened, so you can add a little saffron and some dry fruits. That's totally optional. Now serve the kheer chilled, and in taste it is delicious, quite sweet. But I didn't enjoy Gits ready-made kheer as much as homemade rice kheer. It's fine to try once in a while. For more such videos, subscribe to this video. Bye bye.